Hey, aloha mai kākou. Hauʻoli poʻalua. Welcome to our ʻAʻa ʻŌlelo class. Today is Kala Iwakalu Kamakolu Pipiluali, ʻŌpaʻa number 19. We'll be talking about and continuing our last week of Mahino ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi. This was a hard month for me. I did a lot for Instagram, so kind of ready for this to be over. But we're gonna finish strong. Yes? Okay, so here's our agenda. Our lesson is going to be, we're gonna do a review for our practice reviewing of the questions that we started last week, and then our lesson is going to be a little bit different, kind of staying with that same theme of writing our own paragraphs, but you'll see. We'll go over that in a little bit. Oh, thanks, Carly. Hey, aloha mai kākou and haumana. Welcome to our ʻAʻa ʻŌlelo virtual Hawaiian language class. If you can just put your, yes, that's correct, Carly. If you can just put your name and where you're tuning in from, like normal, just so we can get how we always start. But yeah, mahalo for being here. I can't believe this is 19, ʻŌpaʻa number 19. It's a lot. Again, Mahino ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi is PAO after this week, but that doesn't mean we're gonna end. You know, we're gonna keep going until we run out of fuel, which apparently is never, because I talked to my 3 kākou, and they said that I'm going to be in this class till I'm 75. So I guess Kapua, Lena, Ala, and Erika, thanks. Thank you. I'll be here till I'm 75. But yeah, after Mahino ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi, we're going to go back to our normal ʻŌpaʻa, our more normal lessons. And I think we're going to do Pepeke Aikehe next week, which shows something equals something or something is something. So we'll go back to our normal lessons in March and continuing on. Okay, Loina, who do I want to read? Bianca, can you just read this, please? You can go through all of them.
Aloha kekahi. Love one another, we are an ohana. Ho'ihi aku, ho'ihi mai. Be respectful on camera and in the chat. E kuliai kanu'u. Strive to be the very best you can be. ʻAʻa ʻŌlelo mai hila. Dare to speak, don't be shame in class.
Thank you. Okay, so Ehomai, I think we're gonna do Kunihi instead, yes. Let's do Kunihi. Does anyone want to start us today?
I will.
Oh, thank you, Lehi Ilani. Pumohala, if you can start next class, that would be great. But yeah, Lehi Ilani, thank you.
I will do it the way you are phrasing it.
Yeah, if you have your own version, that's totally fine. Because remember, there's many ways of doing one thing. So yeah, if you want to do your own version, we'll follow you.
No, I'll do it your way.
Okay.
Kunihi ka mauna I ka laʻi o wai ali la iwai. O kia e la I ka lani ka papa wai o ka waikini. Laia e la e no nalo ka ipu ha'a. Ka laula mau ka o ka paʻa mai paʻa I ka leo. He ole ka hea mai e.
E he I ke kānaka e kumu māloko, e hana e a hewa toha, e no kaukula o ka leo, a he leo wale no e. Mahalo nui Lehi Ilani, that's beautiful. Thank you. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna do a review, and I know last week we reviewed more of the ʻŌlelo, like the Nina Ho'olauna, our introduction questions. But all of these next questions are going to be about your mea punahele. What are your favorite things? And there's a lot, as you can see. But again, the answers are easy. It's all pretty much going to be the same thing. So what I want you guys to do is I want to say the question, and it's going to be random. It's not going to be in this order. But I'm going to say the question, and if everyone can type it in the chat, and that can be publicly, and then I'll just call on a few of you to answer. Okay, so every question is going to start with He aha kau, what is your, or ʻowahi kau, who is your. He aha kau and ʻowahi kau. Okay, and then after that will be whatever the item is. So what is your favorite color, food, drink, blah, 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 movies and all that stuff. Okay, and don't forget punahele means favorite. Okay, when we answer it, you're going to say o, ka or ke, then the thing, and you can say it in English if you don't know how to translate it in Hawaiian. Ka'u meʻai punahele. Ka'u ki'ionioni punahele. Does that make sense? So again, we're just filling in where we need to fill in. Okay, which is just right here, mea, and right here, whatever I say after. Okay. All right, so let's type here in the chat. Let's do He aha kau ki'ionioni punahele. What is your favorite movie? This one's a little bit tricky because would you need ka or ke? You guys figured that out. Okay, you wouldn't say, yeah, you figured it out. So let's type it in the chat. What is your favorite movie? He aha kau ki'ionioni punahele. Yeah, Kavik's good. If you don't have one, you can say ʻAʻohe. Or maybe just to practice, you can just choose a random movie. Okay, good. Atihelani, if you can just follow the ka'u. So ka'u again, because you can choose it, that's why we do ka'u.
Mahalo.
Yeah, no, you're good. But even how you say ka'u punahele, that's fine, because you know you're talking about the movie already. So that's fine.
Thank you.
So Avatar ka'u punahele. That works. All right, so let's go with Lena Ala. He aha kau ki'ionioni punahele.
Oh, Dr. Horrible sing-along vlog, Ka'u Ki'ionioni Punahele.
Why does that title not surprise me? Okay, can you ask Carrie that same question?
Hey, Carrie. He aha kau Ki'ionioni Punahele.
O Rocky ki'ionioni ka'u ki'ionioni punahele.
Good. And then can you ask Don? This will be the last one for movie.
Aloha e Don. He aha kau ki'ionioni punahele.
O Maleficent ka'u ki'ionioni punahele.
Good. Thank you. Okay, so we got some good movies on here as well. All right, let's just go through the list then. The next question is going to be He aha kau pua punahele. He aha kau pua punahele. What is your favorite flower? So with this one, nod yes or no, or nod or shake your head. Do we need ka or ke? Yes, we would, because you could say the plumeria is my favorite flower. It's kind of tricky when it's more item kind of stuff and not really a name. That's when we would use it. So food, yes. Drink, yes. Not movie because it's a name. Ola no eo, no. Song, no. Book, no. Island, no. So flower, food, drink, and color. Good. Okay, Erika. He aha kau pua punahele. I was like, what is that? He aha kau pua punahele.
O ke kikyo, ke pua pāluna, ma ka ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi, ka'u pua punahele.
Balloon flower.
Ai.
Okay, can you ask Pamela?
Ai. E Pamela, he aha kau pua punahele?
O Camellia ka'u pua punahele.
Okay, and if you don't know, Amelia is the plumeria. Okay, can you ask Kavix?
Aloha e kawits o vai kau pua punahele.
One more time the question. So.
I'm sorry. He aha kau pua punahele.
Aloha. O ka gardenia ka'u pua punahele.
Okay. And I'm totally blanking on what gardenia is, but yeah, it's okay. I forget. Kiele.
Kiele. Yeah.
Okay. Moving to the next question. Let's go to Heaha kau mokupuni punahele. Heaha kau mokupuni punahele. So what is your favorite island? Okay, what's your answer? You know what the best island is, yeah? No, I'm just kidding. And here, would you do ka or ke? Probably not, yeah, because it's the name of an island. We wouldn't need the Oahu, yeah? Good, Haley. Okay, Haley Cheney. Heaha kau mokupuni punahele.
O ahu ka'u mokupuni punahele.
Can you ask Kailani?
E Kailani, he aha kau mokupuni punahele?
Kali'i Rachel, Ukani punahele.
Yeah. Okay, can you ask Bianca?
Same question?
Yeah.
Bianca, ovai ka'u
Right here.
Ukani punahele. Oh, okay.
Heaha kau.
Heaha kau mokupuni punahele.
O Maui ka'u mokupuni punahele.
Everyone had the wrong answer. O Molokai ka mokupuni. Mai ka'i loa. Nah, just kidding. But yeah. Okay, let's do one more, and then I'm gonna actually have you guys. We're gonna break up into breakout rooms and then go through this whole list of questions. Okay, so let's do one of the Oais. Let's do Owai kau mea kau lana punahele. Okay, so the question's different, the answer is the same. You don't need ka or ke because it's a name. So Owai kau mea kau lana punahele. Who is your favorite celebrity? Yeah. Oh, Kapua. It's a fail. Who hasn't been here for 6 weeks? The heck?
Says something if she's still my favorite, huh?
I guess. You guys have low standards. She's busy saving the, true. Okay. Thank you, Carrie. Okay. Tabby, ʻoe kau mea kau lana punahele.
O Dwayne Johnson, ka'u kaulana punahele.
That one you could have said, oh, Karak. I don't know. If you want to. Can you ask Shannon?
I'm trying to think who my favorite celebrity is.
Okay.
Wait, what do I say if I don't have one?
ʻAʻohe.
ʻAʻohe. ʻAʻohe ka'u mea.
Pete Davidson is hers.
Sorry, Bianca, what?
I was gonna say Shannon's is Pete Davidson.
Davidson.
Oh yes, I love him. Pete Davidson ka'u mea kalana punahele.
Let's ask Hennesis. Carly, you're ill. Carly. So yeah, Shanna, if you can just ask that same question.
Oh, okay. Heaha kau mea kalana punahele.
Aloha. O anue nue kau mea kaulana punahele.
Is that student cousin Cappy?
Go sing Cappy.
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna break up to breakout rooms. We're gonna do the same thing. Let me copy these questions into the chat for you folks. Try and go through the whole thing, and let's see. No, that's fine. Try and go through the whole thing. Yeah, just see where you can go. I'll give you guys maybe 7 minutes. We'll do it in partners, so that should be a little bit faster. Okay, perfect. We have just enough. Okay, so everyone got the questions, yeah? It should stay in your chat, but if not, let me know and then I can resend it. But okay, so I'm gonna create, and there you go. Okay, so just go back and forth asking the questions, go randomly, it doesn't have to be in order, answering each other's questions as well. And did you get an invitation to go to
Oh, okay. Kalamai.
Oh no, you're good, you're good. Okay, let's see.
Sorry, I'm trying to put them on a different screen.
Okay, what's in the chat?
You guys got it? You saved in the chat, yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect.
That they are.
You know, these are good questions to just bring at the dinner table to your family, you know? Like,
I don't eat dinner with my family.
oh, yeah, true. Sure, you know what I mean.
Yeah, I got you. I got you.
Okay. Okay, yeah, now I see it.
Oh.
Oh, wait, which one is it? Oh, no, I found him.
My cat slammed the door.
If anything, if you want to, if you have access to the slides, they're all listed there too if it doesn't show up.
No, I found it.
Okay.
Okay, do you want me to ask first?
Yeah. Yeah, kākou Meʻe punahele.
O Meʻe Hawaiʻi kākou Meʻe punahele.
Good, my guy.
No.
Um,
Pamela, do you like Hawaiian food?
I don't know many Hawaiian food.
my Kumu, she's been posting some good Mexican food on her Instagram.
Yeah. I just know poi. I have, but I don't know if it's like it was the right way of making poi.
So you didn't come here yet?
No, not yet.
Oh, okay. Hopefully, when next time you come, we'll all. Carrie will be here from California, and we'll all. Or are you from? Wait, not California. Are you in California?
Yeah, I'm not in California right now. I live in California, but I'm visiting a friend in Michigan.
Got it. Yes, Michigan. And then we'll throw you a big luau, and then we'll give
Yes, please. That would be awesome.
Yeah. You know what? We have similar food to Mexico, like kalua pig. I'm sure that's like carnitas, and then mummy salmon is like salsa. I guess I don't know.
Oh, I've tried the kalua pork. I think it's cool.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of like how you guys have your carnitas, but not flavored.
Yeah.
Yeah, is that right, carnitas? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, continue. Sorry. Food all the time.
Ka'au, puke punahele.
Puke punahele. He ka wehe ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi. Ka'u puke punahele.
My language. So lehua, just one thing. Since it's everything's gonna be o, even so it's gonna start with o, not he. Okay.
Oh, did I say he?
Yeah, no worries. Small mistake.
Yeah.
Mahalo.
Ka'u pu'ukani punahele.
Oh, waina.
Owai ka'u pu'u kani punahele. The last one.
O Kumu Kahanu.
Oh. right when I come into your guys. Oh, you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Should be Hawaiian, right? Or
Seriamente.
could be any book. Okay.
Yeah, any book.
Okay. Or Ipania ʻŌlelo kau mele punahele.
Okay.
Cool.
Thank you.
Aloha, Kumu.
Aloha. Are you guys Paul or you guys still?
No, we're still working.
Okay, maybe a couple of minutes. So yeah, we're probably not gonna get through all of them, but yeah.
That's okay.
Okay.
Okay. So.
Ki'ioni oni. Punahele.
This one, I heard you guys from at the April's one.
Yeah. He aha kau ki'ioni oni punahele.
Sorry, Genesis.
Aloha.
Were you by yourself this whole time?
I don't know.
Auntie Helen, you didn't join?
Helani, she's the support.
Oh,
I don't understand
yeah.
the dynamic more.
Sorry, one more time. You don't understand the
dynamic. We have to answer all the questions.
Yeah. No, whatever you guys could. Did you guys do any of them?
Only we talk about the Me'e.
Okay, you know what? I'll go through them with you since I don't know where she went. It must have been her computer that logged off. So
okay.
Yeah, so I'll ask you a few of them, and we're almost Paul anyway. So Heaha ko mele punahele, your favorite song.
I remember. Navaqueros.
Yeah.
Ko mele punahele.
Okay. And if you want to ask me the same question.
Okay. Heaha kau mele punahele.
O eia ke aloha ka'u mele punahele.
Okay.
Let's do heaha kau mea inu punahele.
O vaina kau inu punahele. Vaina, wine?
Waina, yes.
Waina.
Okay.
Yes.
And you want to ask me the same?
Heaha kau inu punahele.
Okay.
Mea inu.
Mea inu, yes. I'm gonna do o ka chocolate shake. Shake kokoleka ka'u mea inu punahele.
I love to kokoleka.
Yeah. And then let's do two more. So let's do heaha kau ʻŌlelo no ʻeau punahele. It doesn't have to be Hawaiian. It can be Spanish or English.
Again, please.
Your ʻŌlelo no ʻeau, your favorite wise saying. Heaha kau ʻŌlelo no ʻeau punahele.
ʻŌlelo Italiano. How say Italian?
Yeah, Ikalia.
ʻŌlelo punahele.
Oh, cool. Nice. Okay. And I'm gonna ask you one more. Heaha kau ki'ioni punahele, your favorite movie.
Shrek kau me'ali'i
Ki'ioni.
Ioni punahele.
Yeah, the first one, yeah.
Yeah, the first one and 3 I like.
Yeah, all of them are good. Yeah. And
yes.
Yeah, I think we're good then.
Okay.
I'm gonna give everyone one more minute, but I'll see you back in the main room in a little bit. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Gracias.
De nada.
Yeah.
You see my little message, Carly? Saw it?
I didn't.
Oh, you didn't? Oh, okay. Let me send it again to everyone.
Okay.
Oh, the 2 minutes? I saw it.
Oh, the other one.
Oh, okay.
Rude.
You know, she types that to me every little time she gets. She types me private.
It's because you were like over there, like, who's your favorite celebrity? And I'm like,
That was foreshadowed, yeah. Okay, I think we're done. Did you guys went through all of them?
yeah, pretty much.
Perfect. Let's go back to the main room.
Okay. See you there.
Hello.
I'm kicking you.
Aloha.
That was not 60 seconds after the 60-second announcement.
We were in the middle of a conversation.
It was really good.
It
We were
was.
talking about how you never let us finish the 60 seconds. You always cut it off before and it's mid-conversation. So thank you very much.
I
It
can
actually
fight for
means
that
5
because
seconds.
Yeah.
it cut me off. Hello.
Everyone boo Kumu on 3. 1, 2, 3. Boo.
Oh, you guys are funny.
Thank you. Okay. So let's go back to our thing. All right. So again, we're on the last week, and I feel kind of bad just because we're not going to be focusing on the last 7 Me'e. But if you want to learn more about them, they'll be on Instagram. So look on Instagram. If you don't have an Instagram, make an Instagram. Okay. So remember how we did last week? We talked about, we created our paragraphs. Yeah. So we're going to do the same thing, but individually this time. And instead of choosing a Me'e o ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi, you're just going to choose your own Me'e. So who is your favorite hero? Period. Per. Who's your favorite hero? So think about it, and if you guys can write your hero in the chat. Again, heroes can come in all shapes. Your cat could be your hero. Leina ʻaʻa, your magic cat. Also, the person who makes your margaritas, Leina ʻaʻa, can be your hero. Okay, so everyone write your hero in the, absolutely not, in the chat, please. I know it's a hard one, so if you need to think about it, think about it. But yeah, Yesu, perfect example. O Yesu, ka'o me'e punahele. Good. Okay, so Yesu, your mother, Li'ukalani, these are all great examples. So as you guys think about your hero and as they come into the chat, let me just read through this, and this is kind of going to guide us to create our own paragraph. And we're just going to work each sentence together so we can all create our own paragraph and have a description of our hero by the end of this hour or 30 minutes or whatever. Okay, so Velina Meke Aloha. O student cousin Cappy, wait, stop. O student cousin Cappy, ko'u me'e. And it's a little bit different because yes, I chose her, but me'e, you know what? I'm going to change this actually to ku'u me'e. What does ku'u show again?
Like dear to me.
Yeah,
Like,
beloved or dear to me, good. So, o student cousin Cappy, ku'u me'e. Can you see it? Okay. O student cousin Cappy, ku'u me'e. O Cappy anui noe she solatorio, kona inoa piha. No papakolea mai oia, noho oia ma ke walo uka. O Gilbert Shea lawa o Carrie Palanapa, kona mau makua. O hele oia I ke kula ki'i o Roosevelt, makue kona lauoho, ele kona mau maka, e leu loa o student cousin Cappy. E wahine olu ale aloa oia. E kolu ana keiki. Oops, she has 4 kids. Sorry, 4. E ha ana keiki. He lio ke'o kana. He kumu oia ma ke kula ha'aha o Lincoln. O ʻAʻa i ka ʻōlelo, kona ʻōlelo no e au punahele. O ka iʻa maka, kana mea ai punahele. O ka waina ula ula, kana mea inu punahele. O Sister Act, kana ki ioni oni punahele. Make oia ia o I ka ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi. Aia oia ma ka hokele o Outrigger. Aloha au ia student cousin Kathy, mahalo nui loa. Okay, so you must be like, whoa, that's way too much. But again, we're just going to be filling in the blanks with, we're going to take the same sentences and just fill in the blanks with our information. Okay, so you guys all chose your person, yeah? Here's the paragraph if that helps you. I also created a lesson on, this is the week's lesson for Google Classroom. So if you need to go there, you can go there as well and just fill in the document in your own document. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, let's take it one sentence at a time. If you want, you can type it in the chat. If not, you can type it or write it on a separate doc or paper. But yeah, let's all start. Everyone choose your velina that you're gonna do. Mine's, I always like using velina me ke aloha, but I'm gonna start again and I'm gonna choose aloha pumehana kākou. So if you're writing in the chat, you can send that in, or if you're typing on another document, that's fine. There it is. Yeah. All right, so the next line will be going into your Me'e. So let's do O blank, fill in the name. Oh, I'm gonna change to my dad. So no, my papa. Oh, Gilbert. No. Papa. Ku'u Me'e. Oh, papa. Ku'u Me'e. Okay. Is everyone following along? Tell me if we're going too fast too. I'm guessing most of you are just on your own document. Okay, yeah, because I'm not seeing anything in the chat. All right, next one. Let's go to their full name. So if you know your person's full name, or if it's just like Keakua, then you can put that. So let's put O blank. And then Kona ino piha. Okay. Perfect, Lindy. Yeah, Lindy, perfect that you're typing in the chat. All right, I'm gonna ask for some examples. So can you read your first three sentences, Kapua?
I don't know how to put it on the screen. I do know how I'm like. I'm a millennial. Okay. Okay. Velina me ke aloha o Trudy Pimentel ku'u me'e. Oya. Wait, I wrote my own. Okay, I'm not even going in the right order. Oya ko'u kupunahine maka ʻaʻa o ko'u makuakane o Trudy Jr. Yamashita Pimentel kona inoa piha no kona mai oya.
Okay, good. You went, you started doing the extra, so that's my kai. Okay, well, let's just go into our next one. So where are they from? We all know how to answer that, yeah? No papakolea mai oya. Okay, no. So where's your person from? No Mexico mai oya. No city, state, country, planet. Carly. Should be Carly. No Mars mai oya. Okay. And you know what? This is going to be good if you, I mean, to have as a paragraph. And you can just fill it in with whatever. You choose another person and fill it in. You can always have this paragraph for later on. Okay, so now let's do where they actually live. So noho oia, again, noho oia ma. He lives in Kewala Utaku. Okay. Good. Why do you say if they passed for the noho? Oh, you can do ua, but you know what, Haley? Try to just keep it as this, because you know they still live there, regardless. Yeah, so just keep it. If you want to put ua, you can, if they passed away. But I'm just gonna try to leave it simple, if there's like as if they're still alive, if that's okay. Okay, let's see. Carrie, can you read your whole thing so far?
I can try.
Yeah.
Okay. Belina me ke aloha o kia kua ku'u me'e o Yesu Christo kona inoa iha.
Yeah.
No. Oh, I wrote it wrong. No. I think I wrote it wrong. Oh, no. No oyama helani iluna.
Yeah. You didn't get the no though. It's okay if you never.
Did I do it wrong?
Where'd you put it from? Bethlehem or?
No, I put oh, I should have. Yeah, that would have made more sense.
Yeah, you can put that if you want.
I looked up heaven in Me'e, and it says heaven above, so I put that.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Nani nuna. That's fine. Yeah, that works too. Okay, good. So their next one, what is this one saying? O Gilbert she lawo karipa napa kona mamakuo. What is that asking? Or what is that referencing to? Parents, yes, exactly. Okay, so if you know their parents, you can put them in. So, O Henry, lawa o no. These are easy because you can just fill in the blanks. When it gets down to here, it gets kind of harder. You gotta actually think. Okay, and the next one, Kula Ki'e High School. If you want to do Kula Nui, if you didn't go to school, you know, there's other ways of saying it. So, funny thing about my papa, he never went to high school. He only finished in 3rd grade because he had to work. So, ʻaʻole, oia, ihele, ike, kula. He didn't go to school. If you want to, if your person didn't go to school or high school, you can just type that in. ʻaʻole, oia, ihele, kula. Like Jesus, it's kind of hard. He is school, period. Okay. All right. I'm going to call on Erika, if you can read your whole thing so far.
Okay. Oh, this doesn't. Anyway. Aloha pumehana kākou. O Abraham Lincoln ka'u me'e. O Abraham Lincoln kona inoa piha. No Illinois mai oia. Ua noho oia ma Springfield ma Illinois. A me Washington, D.C. O Thomas Lincoln laua o Nancy Hanks kona mau makua. ʻAʻole oia I hele I ke kula.
Awesome. Did he really not go to school?
He had less than 12 months of formal schooling.
Wow. That's good to know. That's cool to know. Thank you. Okay, so now we're going to get into the more descriptive parts of them. And I think that's these sentences right here. So we're going to first describe their lauoho. Everyone point to your lauoho. Yes, good. So what color is their hair? That's an easy one. So my papa, gray. So hina hina, kona lauoho. Okay, why is it kona? Why is it kona? Can someone let us know?
You're born with it.
Yes, Don, you're right. His or her, but kaviks, you're born with it. Okay, you cannot. I mean, okay, any body part is going to be O class. Okay, so mahalo kaviks, mahalo party. Okay, so ahina hina kono lauoho, and then what does maka show? What if they're bald? Yes. Then you can say this. Ohule. Oya. Ohule oya. I think that's the word. That's the word? Yeah, that's the word. Ohule oya. Which means no more hair. Okay. Yeah, so what does maka reference to? Everyone point to your maka. Good. Okay, so what does Mao show though? Because we never had Mao in this part.
Plural.
Plural, good, Lehi Ilani. So you have two eyes, you're gonna have Mao. Yes, you have more than one hair, but you don't call it hairs. Yeah, it's not her hairs is brown, it's just her hair is brown. So that's why we don't put the Mao there. Okay, so my papa is ʻElelo. Cool. And then this next one, you're just going to choose a description of them. So what do you choose to describe that person? ʻElelo, loa, or student cousin Kapi. This one, let's put their name because this whole time we've been putting Oya from the beginning. So let's try and do their actual name. So ʻElelo, loa, or descriptive, okina o, their name. Okay, so for my papa, I'm going to go loko mai ka'i. Oh. Any questions so far? Or we're not moving too fast, are we? Okay, if you need me to translate a word that describes them, let me know. Or you know where to go. Because we're gonna be reading this to our partners and after we pause. So. Okay, who didn't go? Who wants to go? Let's go with Haley. Can you read what you have so far? Did you get up to the description of them?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. Aloha mai kākou, o Grammy ku'u Me'e, o Beatrice Alice Cheney kona inoa piha, no West Newton, Massachusetts, mai oia, noho oia ma kahala, o Herman Bjornson, laua o Alice Batson kona mau makua, ua hele oia I ke kula nui o Boston University, a hina hina kona lauoho, uli uli kona mau maka, olu olu loa o Grammy.
Oh, yes, exactly. Her name sounds like she's a queen or something. Queen period.
She honestly looks like the queen. I'm not even gonna lie.
What is her name? Alice Beatrice Cheney. Awesome. ABC. Okay. This next one. Okay. So we kind of touched on it with the other Me'e when we said he alaka'i kupaya naha keia ali'i Hawaiʻi, but we're just again describing them. So I would say he wahine or he kane, so whatever they are. You can write that in. So my papa is not a wahine. He kane. and then 2 more descriptions. So for him, he's going to be he kane ho'omakeaka, funny, ame, ʻaʻa, hauʻoli, loa, oia. Okay, so it may be tricky. If you want to just do one description, that's fine. You can just go he kane ho'omakeaka oia. Okay, or he kane he wahine ʻelelo oia. He blah 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 oia. Okay, what is this? What is that saying? Shannon, can you read this sentence for me?
He kane ho'omakeaka oia.
Yeah. So what is that?
He is a, I don't actually know what that means. He is a
funny
man. Funny? Oh, he's a funny man.
He's a funny man. Okay, so that's what that sentence is going to show us. Okay. Let's do one more. If they have kids, hopefully you can answer that. If they don't, then you're going to say ʻaʻohe. ʻAʻohe. Okay. And why did I put ʻaʻohe? Why did I use the A for here? Iha ana keiki. Can someone show me or tell me why? If you guys remember. Yes or no?
Because it's next generation. It's not their generation or above. It's below.
Good. It's the next generation. Perfect. So again, when we have these numbers, you're going to drop the K, and it's not going to be kana. It's going to, there you go, Haley. Good job. Eha, ana, keiki. You guys get them. So however much kids they have, or if they don't, then you're going to say ʻaʻohe, ana, keiki. Carrie, you're probably going to have like, he has 7 billion kids, so. Ehiku, biliona, ana keiki. Okay, he has 3, so Kolu ana keiki. And I put a pet here if they have a dog or a cat or something, but you can choose what you want. So if you want to say he or she has a red car, he has a nice house, you guys know how to do that, yeah? All it is he, object, description, kana or kona. So I'm gonna say he has a nice house. He, hale, big house, nui, kona. Here, can you read this for me, Atihialani?
He hale nui kona.
And what is that saying? I said it earlier.
He has a big house.
Yeah, and why did I use kona? Do you remember?
Because you can go in the house.
Yeah. Good. Okay. Carly, can you read yours? I think we're at good timing. We just have their favorite things. Oh no, we have all of these left. Okay, never mind.
Okay, do you want me to read the first one or the second one? I have 2, but I don't know which one to read.
Oh, all of them. The whole thing so far.
Okay. Lina me kilo oya noho oya ma California oya o William Lawa o Peggy Kona Maumakua o hele oya I ke kula nui o Northwestern ma ku'e kona lau oho ele kona maumaka olu ikaika ko'u makuahine. He wahine kupayanaha manawalea oia. E lua ana keiki he ilio pupulekana.
Oh, did you have a second?
Like a second person.
Oh no. Oh, you have a second person?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. No. So, I thought you had a second description, but yeah.
No.
Okay, good. All right. This next one. What is this show? He kumu oya ma ke kula ha'a olegin. What is that? Anyone want to give me the translation? Does anything to go yet? He kumu oya ma ke kula ha'a olegin.
She is a teacher at wait.
Elementary.
Yeah. Look, she's a teacher at Lincoln Elementary. Okay, so what is their job? What is their job position? My mom is a kumu, a teacher. So my papa, he was a carpenter. So he, yeah, I'm just saying that, kukulu. Construction worker. Okay, so he was a construction worker. If you need help translating any of the things too, let me know. Lindy, are you okay? Oh yeah, you're good. Yeah. Poor Mahalo, you're good. Oh gosh. Besides hoo-hoo, does hoo-hoo work or? Pumohala, Me'e kākou. Me'e kākou. Writer. Me'e kākou. Thank you, Lina. He kumu mele lindi oia. Okay, cool. This next part, I think we can do on our own. So these are your favorite things, I think all the way up to here. And you can switch it out with what we have. You don't have to do no ea, olao no ea, food, drink, and movie. You guys can do celebrity, blah, blah, blah. Manager, Luna, medicine. So they call it la'aolapa'o too. Yeah, okay. These look so studious. I love it. Good for your party. Oh, your mic's on. Close. Pumohala, not kākou. Not kākou. 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 Himea kākou means he is an eater. He is the person that eats. He's the person that kākou. So, hey, that's not a bad job to have. Yeah, kākou. Okay, I'm going to call on Pamela. Let me read yours. Whatever you have so far.
Yes. Velina me que aloha. O Ángel González ku'u Me'e. O José Ángel González Torres kona inoa pija. No México mai oia. Noho oia ma México kulana kaohale. O Valdemar Lawa o Florinda kona maumakua. O ahele oia y que kula ki eki o José Vasconcelos. LL kona lau ojo, makue kona maumaka, akamai o Ángel González. Hekane olu oia. Lua ana keiki, he ilio ke o kana. Hekumu oia ma ke kula nui o unam, o o prefiero conformarme con unas pocas flores o solo unas hojas, pero que sean de mi propio jardín. Kona ʻŌlelo no buena hele. O hot dog, that I don't remember the word for hot dog. Me'e punahele.
Yeah. That's what you got. Oh, that's so cool. What did that mean?
In English would be.
Oh, you said hot dog. Sorry.
Hot dog.
I thought you said
But you mean the no ʻAʻa, right?
Yeah, we went to the ʻŌlelo.
Yeah. So in English. In English would be, I rather settle with a few flowers or just a few leaves, but the most important thing is that they are from my own garden.
Wow, that's sick. I love it.
Mahalo.
Can you send us the Spanish in the chat, please?
Yes.
It's gonna be my new. I hope in my bio. That's deep. Thank you. Okay, so you guys still on your favorites, or can we finish up? Who's still on your favorites? Okay, we'll give one more minute. Oh, I need to finish my favorites. Hello. Get up, lazy kids. Oh no. Okay. O kapoi kana Meʻe Kahanuola. O ke kope kana inu Kahanuola. O he doesn't even like movies. I'll do another one then. O put the dishes in the sink. Kana Meʻe Kahanuola. I don't know that song. Who knows that song? Oh, Shannon, sorry, was she out of here this whole time? Sorry, Shannon, I didn't see you get kicked out. Leo Vela. Okay. All right. I don't think we need to read through any of those because I think they all should be my ka'i. This next one, I don't know. I don't know why I put it. Oh, no, never mind. Make make. So what do they like? Remember, make make shows what they like, yeah? So make make oya, if you wanted to put an action, ʻAʻa. But if you wanted to put he likes a certain object, make make oya hi ka. What does he like? Yeah or no? He likes the dessert. Okay. That one may be tricky because we didn't do make make since units 8. So if you need a review on that, make make oya ʻAʻa ka fōki. Nice. Good. Lindy, you see where it says ko'u? So that's going to that's Maya. So if you're talking about another person, it's going to be kana. Okay. Okapoke, kana. Yeah, you put a header. Lehi Ilani, sorry, was that a typo or? Good. Yes. So anything you enter into would be food because it goes into you. That's a good question. I was always taught food and drink is always kana. That was what I thought from my teachers. But if you learn something different, you can use kana. It's tricky when it comes to this because again, a backpack you wear yeah? But a backpack is also an everyday object. So I don't think anyone's gonna be like, don't say that. But yeah. Again, though, for food, I always use kana. And another reason why I use kana for this specific sentence is because it's a favorite. So she chose her favorite food. So that might be a cool explanation. Well, yeah, Reef, did you have another mana'o?
Oh, I was in mute for time. No, I know I used to think because it goes into you, so I used to get confused, but I just thought it was an exception or something.
Yeah, no, and I'm still confused when it comes to ko and ka. Like, I try and think of what the kapuna did, but again, it's hard because there's a reason for everything. But yeah, I don't know why we couldn't just do kona everything. Like that.
Didn't you know ka'u?
Yes.
So dog, like animals, pets and stuff is kinoa, yeah?
Yeah.
Except for a horse because you ride it.
Yeah.
What if I had a really big dog that I could ride around?
I mean, okay, then yeah, I would put kona, like a vehicle. That would be cool. Like Clifford.
Yeah, like Clifford. Kalamai.
Yeah. No, that's a good question. Or like, yeah, a mule or a ekake, a donkey, you can ride those. So I guess if you consider it as your transportation, then you would do kona. But if you consider it as your pet, then you do kana. Okay? If you consider it as your dinner, then you do kana. Okay, so make oya. The last one, I'm gonna take out the last one because it doesn't make sense. I was like, why did I even add that? But if you wanted to put aya oya ma Las Vegas, you can do that. But yeah, the last sentence, these last two sentences are easy. Aloha, oh yeah, his whole name, and your mahalo. Mahalo, we should be done, yeah? I don't know. Who still needs some time? Prefiero conformarme con unas pocas flores o solo unas hojas. Okay, and then once you're done, if you can put what you wrote in the chat, and let's see what everyone came up with. Wow, that wasn't too long. I thought it was going to be longer than that. But yeah, again, now that you have this kind of body of a paragraph, you can use it to talk about anyone. You can describe your kids. You can describe your favorite teacher, your favorite celebrity, all that stuff. Okay. And look what we did in 30 minutes, y'all. Give yourselves a round of applause. Good job. Okay, so who's still working? Who still needs time? Okay, April. Anyone else? Pamela, okay. I'll give you guys one more minute and then I'll break you guys up into breakout rooms. And even if you're not done, you guys can just read your whatever you have, whatever you completed so far. Okay? Cool, you guys, this is cool. Yeah, I should have told you too. If you didn't know what their, parents' names or whatever, you could have made it up, but yeah. Nah, no worries, Beef. You call ʻŌlelo, you get him. Hawaii, yeah. I think water is his favorite drink. Cool. Was that 60 seconds? So someone counting? Pua? I think that's 20 more seconds, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna start the breakout room still. Let's do 3, so you'll have 3 people in your room. 3 to 4 now. Let's do 3 to 2. 3 8. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna split you guys up. If you guys are still typing, maybe you guys will last, or just read whatever you guys have. Okay. All right. Opening. See ya. Until you can go in your room and then just finish in the room. Sorry, I don't know. Every time I open up breakout rooms, it always. Oh, Genesis. Is anyone? Are you switching devices? Oh, okay.
Lauoho, ma ku'e kona maumaka, hau'oli loa o Anake Leilani, he wahine akamai ʻAʻa oia, ʻaʻohe ana keiki, he iliu, he
Kaika oia. Elua ana keiki. He mokokaikala a lohi kana. He luna oia ma Walmart. O Chinese ki.
There you stay. What's up, Kumu?
Hey, Aloha.
What happened to Genesis? I don't know where she went.
You know what? I gotta go back and I think she got kicked out.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
Maybe not. Okay. Oh, it's showing right after this. Oh, you're smart. It's recording. It's been recording.
We laughing, Jonah.
At what?
She was trying to tell me that it snowed in Washington, so she said it howled.
I was trying to. Wow.
Wow.
I fully okay.
Hi.
You want to know how
Okay,
to say it?
Yeah.
It's
Helele'i kahau. So
Wahelele'i kahau.
yeah. So that's kind of like a fall or like a the snowfall.
oh yeah, there's all kinds of falling. Yeah, hele and
There
hard ua. Like, how would you describe the rain of Ka'ua Loku? Like the hard Hanalei rain.
Yeah, that's why they had to make up a whole word, loku. Yeah.
Oh, so when you hear loku, you already know it's hard rain.
Exactly. Because I don't think anywhere else. I mean, yeah, there is, but Kauai is it's known for that one. Yeah, Hanalei.
Aye.
But yeah,
Okay.
Helele'i is a good word. Yeah.
Okay, Carly.
I have mine. Okay. Melina me ke aloha o Kumu Kahanuola Solatorio ku'u Me'e o Jonah Kahanuola Solatorio kona inoha piha no papakolea / kewalu kamai.
Hele vai me kana ilio. Aloha auia, Brittany Maldonado. Mahalo pelina ole.
Nice.
Exactly. And Brittany Maldonado is your...
My sister.
Oh, nice. Oh, okay. That makes sense.
I don't know her favorite movie. Maki Maki Oya ʻAʻa I ka ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi. Aloha ao.
Okay. Aloha pumana ka. I need to read it, my notebook.
Yep.
So, aloha pumana kākou o Hisako kume'e. O Hisako kona inoa piha. A Hisako Kimura kona inoa piha. No Nagoya, Yapana, ma oia. Wa ha'alele, wa hala oia, ike ia manawa. O Sada and Osada lawa o Miki kona maua makua wa hele oia ike kula nui ike kula ha'a ma Iapana gifu erere kona mau maka loko mai kai oia he wahine momona homa keaka haoi oia e kolu ana keiki he mea architect aole mapopo kafua ʻŌlelo ka ʻŌlelo Hawaii architect.
Kuhi kuhi pu'uone. That is me.
Yes. Can you type that in the chat there?
I can.
Kuhi kuhi pu'uone. Yes, that's perfect. That's her new business name too.
Pu'uone, one.
Which is also.
Does it have Okina? No, right? Or yes?
I don't think so. Okay, thank you.
Yes.
You guys pop?
No. I'm helping her to make his own paragraph.
Okay, no worries.
Yeah.
Can you say that ʻŌlelo no ʻeau again, Pamela?
Yeah. Prefiero conformarme con unas pocas flores o solo unas hojas, pero que sean de mi propio jardín.
Oh, pretty. Okay.
That was great.
That was good.
Yeah, that was awesome.
I love that. I'm gonna learn it my next class and then I'll
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. We're gonna finish up, but keep working, and then Mindy, if you have more questions afterwards, we can talk. Okay.
All questions.
Okay. Yeah. That's
Not to worry.
Yeah. That's why I'm here.
This is above my head, a lot of it, but that's okay.
I saw what you were typing in the chat.
I get something out of it every time. So.
Yeah. Are you typing in the chat and writing it out too?
Well, I
writing
wrote it out the first time from when we discussed it, so now I'm trying to write it into the chat because I was just writing in one sentence at a time as we went through it in the chat before.
And that's good.
So now I'm trying to figure out what I had written down.
Oh, got it.
To put it into that.
Now it's out of different order, yeah.
Yeah, no questions to see, to follow, but I'm just going with what I had.
Yeah, cool.
And she's helping me, Pamela's helping.
Yes, thank you, Pamela. Gracias. Okay, so I'm gonna go back. Do you think I don't know. Let me check if everyone's done, and then we'll see.
All right.
teaching special. So my.
Aloha, Kumu.
You guys all pop.
Yep.
Aye.
You can go.
And everyone's done then. Okay. See you
Mahalo, Kalani. Aloha, Stacey.
Is that good? That was good what I saw. Cut off, sorry. Sorry, Nala. Okay, no, yeah, but it was good. So now you guys have that paragraph. I want to ask you guys to record it if you can on the flip grid that I sent. Let me send it one more time. But yeah, look what you guys did in the whole class, or in that whole whatever hour that we did. I'm sorry, he does it every time. I mean,
Kumu.
yes.
Is nani an appropriate word for complimenting a guy about his shirt? Like I like say, or nani ko. That's not a palule tea.
Palule aloha. Yeah, palule aloha.
Palule aloha. Nani ko palule aloha.
Yeah. And Reef, I think you were going to say that too, but I left the room, so. Was that what you were going to say? Okay, got it. Okay, but yeah, thank you. Yeah, so keep that in mind. Did I send it? Yeah, keep that in mind for, you know, you read that to your family. Read that tomorrow at dinner and see if they can understand, or do the same activity with them, because I think that would be cool. Again, all they're just doing pretty much is filling in the blanks with words or names or phrases. Okay, so if you can record yours, your paragraph on the flip grid, please do. Yeah, and then next week we'll have class on the 2nd, next week Tuesday, where we're going to be talking about pepeke aikehe, or something is a something. Okay. And we're also going to be bringing a little bit of the pepeke no no'a, the possessives in. But I think you guys are good with the no no'a. Like, all the questions I asked, you guys remembered, and that's what's good. You guys retaining all these information. So, yeah, give yourselves a round of applause. You guys did my ka'iloa. If this was a class that had grades, I'd give you all an A+, except for you. You know who you are. Okay, well, yeah. If you guys have questions, stay behind. Yes, Terry. I'm sorry. Lehi ilani. But if not, I'll see you guys next week. Did I send the sign-up link? Like, literally, I don't even need you guys to sign up anymore. Because I know if you guys come, you come. If you don't come, you don't come. But just know that you guys always have the link, yeah?
Okay. Ahui ho kaua.
Hui ho.
Aloha.
Aloha.
Ahui ho, mahalo.
Thank you, Kumu.
Hello, hui ho, Cheyenne. Thank you, Reed. Okay, Lehi Ilani, you had a question about Flipgrid.
I do. How did you know that? I was asking.
Stuff. Yeah, Carrie typed it in the chat.
Mahalo, because I don't know what that is.
Okay.
Kalamaya, because I'm showing my age, yeah. So I'm not real tech savvy. So I know I'm supposed to record something, or this is how we do our work.
Are you on a laptop, Auntie, or Lehi Ilani?
You call me Auntie.
Okay. Are you on a laptop right now?
Hi.
Okay, so if you click on the link that I just sent in the chat, try to click on that.
Okay. Just click it.
Yeah.
All right.
And it should go to a page. Yeah. Does it have a recording thing on? Okay, here, I can show you my screen. So see where it says record a response? Yeah, so you just click on that. Why are you not sharing?
So now it says join with Google or join with something else. That's where I get mixed up. I don't know.
Do you have a Google email?
I have I'm on Gmail. Is that Google? Yes.
Yeah. So just click on the blue one, and then you're gonna have to probably type in your email.
So sure. Okay. So if I click it, I can't do it now. Yeah.
Yeah. You can do it whenever. Yeah.
I can't.
And it should prompt you to type in your email, and then after that you should be good to go. So, I don't know.
Go to my email. How do I record? Let's say like this ʻŌlelo.
Yeah. So here, let me show you. You can still see the screen.
Mm-hmm.
So it's gonna come straight to here, and then this big circle button. You just press it, and then you're gonna go.
Really, on my email?
Yeah. Okay, and then when you're done, you just press next. Yeah. And then you can upload straight to there. Press submit after.
Submit. Okay. All right.
Yeah. But yeah, no need, Auntie, no need if you don't want to. But it's a good way to share what you wrote. Yeah.
Okay. And then another, Nino. How can I go back to review these lessons? I mean, can I go back and review? Is there something?
Yeah. So, you're on the Google Classroom, yeah? I might have to call in ʻAʻA to help you.
Okay.
She might have to come make a house call.
Yeah, Lena Anna said she would. And I was going to call you, Lena Anna, on Saturday, but then I got busy. So let's get together. I would love that.
Yeah. Call me up.
Yeah, so she can help you set up the Google Classroom. Thank you. It's so good that you guys are on the same island. Well, yeah, any other questions? Anyone? I think
Yeah, mahalo for that.
Mahalo,
yeah, I have a question. How can I say I don't know in Hawaiian?
Yeah, so ʻaʻole maupopo ia'u.
ʻAʻole.
You can say ia'u or you can just say ʻaʻole maupopo. ʻAʻole maupopo.
All right.
You wouldn't say ʻaʻole ike. Oh, yo.
That's another one, yeah. ʻaʻole, but you're gonna do ʻaʻole au.
ʻAʻole au ike.
Ike.
Like,
Yeah, ike is C, but it's